Alrighty, another up close and personal. Today we got a good one. It's the 500 million special. This one's number 43,889. Look at that bottom stamp. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, here we go. Ooh, look how that O is right there. All the little tiny lines with inside the grooves, it gives it a weird color when you look at it. Almost looks like it's black. Little swizzlies within the etched grooves there. Clean cut date. And then the 43,889.
The difference between the machine look and the laser look right there.
Yep, machine look and the laser look. That is definitely the difference. Ooh, good call out. That looks pretty, how they etched that. That looks pretty. That rock there looks real pretty. Almost like a bracelet going around it. Yeah, I'd say between, like I was telling you, they have a 600 million one too, and I was gonna do that one too. Ooh, that chimney looks good, and that flame, that's awesome. But I like the 500 million a lot more than the 600 million one. Although the 600 million one is high polished and looks awesome. This one's just really neat. Especially up close. I mean, that chimney alone, that is awesome. All right, end up on the border. I really like that flame, clean cut. All right, ending on the chimney here. All right, thank you everybody.